Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Sephora promo code in 2025. So go to zestcoupons.com and look for Sephora. And as you can see, it's a Sephora promo code. So just press get code and then press show coupon code and wait for it to load. And basically guys, once it loads, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code. And then it's going to take you over to a page where you have to enter your email. I already entered mine, but I'll try to show it to you. So as you can see, it's going to load right here and it just says like enter your email address. So make sure you go ahead and put in your email because obviously they're sending your Sephora code to your email. So then press continue and you can see it's loading right here. It says email confirmed. So basically you have to do like a survey now and a deal, but I'm going to walk you through the process. So first you got to register guys, which is really easy to do. You got to fill out like your name and address and stuff. So let me just do that right here. I'm not trying to show it to you guys, but I'm just going to answer this. So let me just put this in right here. As you can see, all right. So anyway, guys, once you entered in all your information, just go ahead and press continue, and then it's going to have you do the survey probably. So let's just do the survey right here, as you can see. So once you're done, guys, the final step is a deal. So let me just finish the survey right here, as you can see. All right, and we're just going to fill this out. All right, and I'm going to press I agree and continue. And then it's going to bring us over here, and then we will have to do the deals. So the deals are very easy. I will show you guys how to do them. So as you can see, we're just going to let this load. Complete one deal to continue. So these are all like free apps you have to download and reach level 18 on them. But you only have to do one, so make sure you're aware of that. And when you press continue, it literally tells you what to do. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later, and peace out.